Mastering subordinating conjunctions in English grammar. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we'll delve into a fundamental aspect of English grammar, subordinating conjunctions. These little words can significantly influence the meaning and structure of your sentences. By understanding and using them correctly, you can vastly improve your English fluency. Subordinating conjunctions are words or phrases that link a dependent clause to an independent clause, creating a complex sentence. The dependent clause can't stand alone as a complete sentence. When you connect it to an independent clause with a subordinating conjunction, it gives more information about the main clause. For instance, in the sentence, "I like to read when it's raining," the word when is a subordinating conjunction. Some common subordinating conjunctions include after, although, as, because, before, even though, if, since, unless, until, when, where, while, and others. For example, because I was late, I missed the beginning of the movie. I'll wait until the rain stops. He decided to quit his job after he won the lottery. Subordinating conjunctions can be placed at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence. This flexibility lets you play with sentence structure and style. For example, when the sun sets, the stars come out. At the beginning of the sentence, the stars come out when the sun sets. In the middle of the sentence, both sentences are correct, but they offer different emphasis. Subordinating conjunctions serve different functions depending on the specific words used. They can express time, cause and effect, condition, comparison, place, and manner. For example, time. After I finish my homework, I'll play video games. Cause and effect. He got promoted because he worked hard. Condition. You can go to the party if you finish your chores. Comparison. She runs as if she's flying. Place. I will be waiting where we first met. Manner. He plays the violin as a professional would. Well, that wraps up our overview of subordinating conjunctions. Remember, mastering these can really enhance your understanding of English grammar and improve your writing and conversation skills. Practice is key, so try making sentences using different subordinating conjunctions. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.